Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to Vasavi Virtual Program. This is Satish Kumar, Faculty of Chemistry. Today we are going to discuss about one important topic from elements, compounds, and mixtures. The topic name is separating mixtures with the help of evaporation process. My dear students, you know very well evaporation is nothing but when the liquid convert into gas. When the liquid convert into gas, that is called evaporation. So, how the liquid converted to gas? Very simple. The liquid absorb heat energy from the surroundings and that will turn into gas. So, evaporation is endothermic process. And with this evaporation process, we will extract a dissolved salt from the solution. With the help of evaporation process, we will taken out the dissolved salt from the solution. So, my dear students, you know very well, from the seawater, we will get a salt. So, that is known as sodium chloride, especially which we are using in our everyday life. So, it is called common salt also. So, how can we extract sodium chloride from the seawater? So, very simple, children, with the help of evaporation process, we can extract easily. So, you can observe here the diagram on the screen. So I have taken a evaporating dish, and in that dish I have taken salt solution. So salt solution is a homogeneous mixture that contains salt and water. So when I heat the salt solution, so from the salt solution, immediately the water starts evaporating. It means we are giving heating energy to the evaporating dish. In the evaporating dish, salt solution is there. The salt solution is having salt and water, but from that salt solution, only the water, liquid water, is converting into vapors. So that is called a gas. So from the salt solution, the water is evaporating into gas. So here you may get out, my dear students, from the salt solution, why only the water is converting into gas? Why not salt? So here one small point you need to observe, my dear students, that is water is volatile substance. Volatile, nothing but the substance which evaporate easily and the substance which is having a low boiling point. So volatile is nothing but the substance which evaporate easily and the substance which is having low boiling point. So I told you salt solution is a homogeneous mixture that is having salt and water. Here salt, that is sodium chloride boiling point is nearly 1465 degrees Celsius, and as well as in the salt solution you are observing the water also. The water boiling point is just 100 degrees Celsius. That is why when we are heating the salt solution, from the salt solution, first of all the water is converting into vapor, and when the total water evaporates from the salt solution, you will get a thick liquid, and when you cool down that thick liquid you will get a salt, a crystal, that is called extraction of common salt from sea water. So, my dear children, with the help of evaporation process, we are separating salt from seawater. So, in this process, when we take the salt solution, from the salt solution, the water is evaporating outside, and finally, you are going to get a thick liquid type solid. So, that is called common salt. I hope you got it. Thank you.